Guys, watch this video till the end and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get any paid apps or games completely free on Android or iOS with a simple application called Aptoide. What Aptoide is, it basically allows you to get any paid games or apps completely free. So as for example, if I go to Play Store, and on Play Store if I search up Minecraft, as you can see, if I search up Minecraft, it shows as a game with a money of $10.99. But if I do the same thing on Aptoide, if I search up Minecraft, as you can see over here, Minecraft is completely free. I can click on the install button and it will start downloading. So guys, this works on both Android and iOS. It will work for any paid game, absolutely any paid game you can get for free. So GTA, Minecraft and much more games which are for money will become completely free. So before we go on with the video, I'm just going to be removing Aptoide from my device, so I can exactly show you how to install Aptoide to your device. So let's get this video started. Okay, so to first of all install Aptoide to your device, what you want to do is you want to go on Google and then you want to search up Aptoide. So the spelling of Aptoide is actually A-P-T-O-I-D-E, so Aptoide. You want to go down, scroll down a bit until you see Aptoide and a download link. So as you can see over here, Aptoide APK for Android. It is saying Android, but it will work on both Android and iOS, as I have tried it out on both Android and iOS. So once you're here on Aptoide APK, you just want to hit the free download button. Then you want to hit the download the APK button, and then you want to hit OK. This will not harm your device at all. And now Aptoide will be downloading to your device. Okay, so once Aptoide has been downloaded to your device, where you want to go is you want to go on Files. Then you want to click on APK. Then from APK, go to Uninstall and then click Install for Aptoide. It will be scanning for files and then click Continue Installing, then Install. And then Aptoide will be installed. Once installed, press Open. Here it will load you up Aptoide, and Aptoide will come to your home page too. Once you're in Aptoide, you can choose from games and apps. Over here, all the normal games will load up, whether they're paid and free. So every single game will load up. Same with the apps. As you can see, once I pressed on the apps bar, all the apps, both paid and free, will come up. So go to the search bar and search up whichever game you want to test out. I just want to go Minecraft, so I'm going to click on Minecraft, go to Minecraft, and then as you can see, I can press the install button if I want to. I can do the same with any GTA game, whether it's Vice City, San Andreas, or any other GTA game. Okay, so now the download has started, so in some time, GTA Vice City will finish downloading. Okay, so it's done downloading, and as you can see, GTA Vice City has been installed onto my home page. It's really that simple to just get any paid games or apps completely free on your Android or iOS device. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, follow my Instagram at total_genius, and I hope you liked the video, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.